Thank you so much for stopping by. Now let's talk about protecting your vehicle. Every day, whether you're taking a road trip or simply driving to work, you subject your vehicle to the risk of damage from rocks, gravel, those pesky love bugs, and a myriad of other debris. These everyday hazards eventually wears on your vehicle. Help protect your investment from these harsh conditions that mars the finish of your minivan, SUV, motorbike, truck, or even your RV. Allow Cool Runnings protection to enhance the value of your vehicle with the virtually invisible, high-performance, precision-cut paint protection film. For your motorcycle or ATV, think about your fairings and fenders, leading edge, chrome, and fixed carrying cases. For one of your biggest investments, your RV, you want to be sure to protect the cab front, side mirrors, and all leading edges. Cool Runnings protection can also restore those pitted or opaque headlamps, fog lamps, and sunroofs. Why endure the replacement costs? Improve your visibility and appearance while renewing your auto's value. Remember, this paint protection film is maintenance-free, will not damage your paint, and will not alter your vehicle's appearance. And this promise is backed by our 5-year warranty. Contact Cool Runnings today. We're mobile and we'll be happy to come to you. Call us today at 941-380-7899, or you may visit us on the web at www.coolrunningsprotection.com.